Good afternoon, students. Yesterday we discussed about law of radioactivity decay. So n is equal to n naught e power minus lambda t. That one is one of the most important one. Today we are going to explain half-life period, and second one is average life period. So half-life period is defined as, so the half-life period of a radioactivity substance defined as the time required for the number of radioactivity nucleus disintegrated to half of its original nucleus is called as half-life time period. Half-life time period. So let us consider one radioactivity sample. The radioactivity sample nucleus disintegrated to half of its original nucleus. So the time required for the radioactivity sample disintegrated to half of its original nucleus is called as half-life time. Half-life time period. So half-life time period is denoted by capital T, and sometimes we denote it by T off. So also defined as T off. So we know that. So now the relation between lambda and T off. Lambda means decay constant, T off means half-life period. So we know that n is equal to n naught e power minus lambda t. This is a law of radioactivity. If so T is equal to small t is equal to capital T, n is equal to here n naught by 2. N naught by 2. So in this equation, instead of n, substitute n naught by 2, that is equal to n naught e power minus lambda t. So here n naught get cancelled. 1 by 2 is equal to e power minus lambda t, and also written as e power lambda t is equal to 2. Or apply both sides log. So log 2 is equal to base e, that is equal to lambda t, or t is equal to log base e 2 by lambda. So base e converted into base 10, 2.303 log 10 base 10 2 by lambda. So that should be equal to capital small t is equal to 0.693 by lambda. So t small t, that is equal to T off is equal to 0.693 by lambda. So time T off means a half-life period. T off is equal to 0.693 by lambda. So this is the relation between half time and lambda. Lambda means here decay constant. Okay. So the time required for the radioactivity sample disintegrated half of its original nucleus. This is called as half-life time. So denoted by T off. T off is equal to 0.693 by lambda. Okay. So here we are taking T is equal to T. After capital small t is equal to capital T, the total number of nucleus are reduces half. N is equal to n naught by 2. Substituting the value in n is equal to n naught e power minus lambda t, we are getting t is equal to 0.693 by lambda. Okay. So now second one is average lifetime or mean life. Average life or mean life. So the average life of given radioactivity substance is defined as the total lifespan of individual nucleus by the total number of nuclei. Okay. So how to get average lifetime? So the total lifespan of individual nucleus of a given radioactivity sample divided by the total number of nucleus. So that is called average lifespan. So the average lifespan is denoted by tau. Tau is equal to here TDN. TDN gives the total lifespan of individual nucleus divided by the total number of nucleus N naught. So by integrating this, t is equal to 0 to infinite, we can get tau value. So tau means the average life. So we know that dN by dt is equal to minus lambda into n according to law of radioactivity decay. So dN is equal to minus lambda n into dt. So n is equal to n naught e power minus lambda t dt. Substitute the value of here dN value. So t is equal to 0 to infinite small t. dN value minus lambda n naught e power minus lambda t. So this is dt divided by n naught. So n naught get cancelled. Here tau is equal to integration t is equal to infinite to 0 to infinite small t lambda e power minus lambda t dt. By integrating, we can find out 1 by lambda. 1 by lambda. So here the average life tau is equal to 1 by lambda. So the reciprocal of lambda is called as average life. The reciprocal of decay constant is known as average life period. Tau is equal to 1 by lambda. If you take n is equal to n naught e power minus lambda t, taking small t is equal to tau. So here substitute the tau value in this equation. So here e power minus 1 and n naught by e, that should be equal to 0.37 percentage. 0.37 n naught. So actually the original nucleus disintegrated to half of the nucleus, it reaches how much percentage? 63% disintegrated. So the 63% disintegrated time is known as average life. Average life. Okay. So it reduces 63% and remaining percentage of nucleus 37% of nucleus are remaining, or 63% of nucleus are disintegrated. The required time is known as average life. Okay. So the average life is denoted by tau. Thank you.